Christy with Christy's Craft Room, and I am super excited today to be launching a brand new product to our shop. This is our brand new DIY Decor and More box, okay? What does that mean? It's DIY decor because there's 4, not 1, but 4 DIY creations in this box that you get to create, that we give you the detailed instructions on how to do and all the things that you need. And more, because we also include some other items that will coordinate well with your DIY items, okay? You don't have to go to the store. You don't have to stand there looking at the stuff in the aisle. You don't have to be online going from website to website trying to find things that will coordinate together and go together to decorate an area in your home. These are great for tiered trays. These are great for mantles. These are great for entry tables. These are great to decorate a shelf. You could do a coffee table tray. You can do like a single riser or whatever they're called tray, like a cake riser tray. You all know what I mean, okay? You can use these all over your house in so many different places, okay? You can even decorate your desk at work with these. That would be super stinking cute, okay? So what are you gonna get? You're gonna get a box in the mail, okay? And the minute the box comes in the mail, you are gonna be able to start creating, because this little QR code here, all you have to do is scan that. It's gonna take you directly to the link where the video tutorial is. Or you can just type it in the old-fashioned way. We have the website right there for you. You can just type it in. It'll take you straight there. You don't have to wait for craft night. You don't have to wait for instructions of any kind, because they're already there for you the minute your box arrives, okay? The next thing is there's a little list on there. A few things that you're gonna wanna have on hand: your glue gun, your glue sticks, your scissors. I give you the exact paint colors I use. Just the basic stuff that y'all already have at home, okay? You're also gonna get a printout, okay? This is already printed for you. You don't have to print it at home. You don't have to worry about your printer quality. You don't have to drive anywhere to have them printed for you. This is a laser print. It is going to hold up to the moisture from the Mod Podge better than an inkjet print will, which is what most of us have at home, okay? So if you ever get that smudging, that's why, okay? Laser prints hold up much better. Everything is to the size that you need for your creations. You're gonna get a bundle in here that has all of your wood pieces in it for your DIY creations. You're gonna get your ribbon and twine, things like that. And then you're gonna get some extra stuff, okay? And I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you what you can do with it. You can create a display like this with everything in your kit. Now remember, the tray doesn't come in the kit, and the little bit of greenery you kind of see poking out there, that does not come in the kit. It's just some basic greenery. Got it at Hobby Lobby, you can get it there, okay? But you're gonna be able to create everything here, guys. You're gonna be able to create a shelf sitter sign. You're gonna be able to create a little USA leaner, a beaded garland. You're gonna get this cute little gnome. You are going to get the stars that are here. Now remember, the stars and the gnomes, they may vary slightly in color, but they will coordinate with everything in there. You're even gonna get the American flag, okay? Look at those cute little firecrackers that you're gonna be able to create. The Let Your Freedom Sparkle. The gnome is hiding it a little bit, but Let Your Freedom Sparkle, guys, that is going to come in there. You're going to get everything you need to create a beautiful display, okay? So, but don't wait. Don't wait, because we only have so many of these, and when they are gone, they are gone. We cannot get more. There will be no more of these, okay? When they're gone, they're gone. Also, somebody who purchases one of these is going to get this here. We're gonna put all your names into a bucket. We're gonna pick one, and somebody is gonna get this sent to them. So hurry on over. The link is in the description of this video, and get yours before they're gone, because there will be no more, okay? Thank you guys for listening. Thanks for hanging out. If you have any questions, shoot me a private message and we will answer you. And let's get creative. Happy crafting, everybody.